This Coachmen Freedom Express 257 BHS is available to rent today at Beckley's RVs. Let's go check it out. Starting with the exterior, the first thing you'll see is an unobstructed pass-through storage compartment. This is a great place to put things like rugs, chairs, and really anything that doesn't fit in the back of the car. Up next is a massive awning that almost spans across the entire length of the coach. Perfect for patio time. Underneath, you'll be pleased to see a very sturdy setup for your steps. Patio time isn't complete without entertainment, and with 2 exterior speakers, you'll be able to hook up your TV or radio and do just that. Perhaps while you're cooking something up on your outdoor cooktop, or putting it off to the side on the conveniently removable tabletop, or maybe you need to wash your hands after everything's ready to eat. You probably earned a cold one out of the fridge for that. Moving on to the interior, we find a clean and modern design. But look to the left, and you'll find your control panel which controls many coach functions, like slides and lights. Of course, the first thing you may notice is the beautiful U-shaped dinette seating, which can be converted into a bed at night. Across from this is your kitchen. Your amenities here include a sink, a 3-burner gas cooktop with an oven, and a microwave, as well as a large refrigerator. Moving into the back of the coach, you should make note of the cabinetry on the right. Here, you have loads of storage to shove anything the journey throws your way. Next to this, tucked away into the corner, are 2 50-inch by 74-inch bunks. As well as your bathroom. Returning to the front, it's impossible to miss the big flat-screen TV and multimedia unit beneath. There's additional storage here for any entertainment you'll be bringing along. Games, movies, Xbox, PlayStation, this is a great spot for all of that. And finally, to conclude our tour, we'll be looking at the master bedroom. Here you'll find a queen-size bed, flanked by storage cabinets on either side and above. You certainly won't have any problems getting all of your goodies to the campsite. That's it for today. But for more information, go to www.beckleysrvs.com/rentals to get more information, browse our rental selection, and book your next getaway today. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a like. We love hearing from you. Until next time, we'll see you at the campsites.